Hello, let me show you all the best features, some tips and tricks for Redmi Watch 5 Active. And first of all, I'm going to show you all of these features that you can find in the Mi Fitness application. You know, the screen is actually bigger than on the watch, so it will be more visible for you. So first of all, I want to start from watch faces. So on this device, you can actually find a lot of different watch faces. You can find categories right here. And what is also really useful, that we can even set custom watch faces. Take a look. You can pick any of the album, then click on the custom photo. Now you will be redirected into your camera, and you can basically pick any photo that you want and set it as your watch face. So after the loading process, there we go, you can actually fit to your preferences. Next, when you go into this, notifications and calls in this phone, you can actually use this device, the Redmi Watch 5 Active, to talk in the calls. So when there's incoming call, you will have to actually pick it up on your phone, and then on this device you can find built-in speaker, which is located right here, and built-in microphone. And thanks to this, you can actually basically you can actually speak through this device. There we go. You can even reply with messages. So if you actually don't want to answer to the phone call, you can set up quick responses. You got free default one, but also you can add the custom if you want. And also you can make calls on this device. So you can find the phone application. You can put contacts right here, or you can input any number, make a call. And of course the call will be made out of your phone, because right here we cannot find eSIM or SIM card, but yeah. Also we can receive all notifications straight on your phone. It works for iPhone, for every iPhone, and also for Android devices. Next we can find here all of these fitness features. So we can find heart rate monitoring with 24-hour heart rate monitoring. You can turn it on for smart. We can find high and low heart rate alerts. We can find sleep tracking with advanced monitoring, the heart rate and REM sleep stage. We can monitor our nighttime breathing. We can also measure blood oxygen level. We can set blood oxygen alerts. And we can also monitor blood oxygen for 24 hours with this function. We can also measure stress. We can get relax reminder, and we can get all day monitoring of stress. We can also find new feature about this vitality score settings, so we can get our 7-day progress and also daily progress. And there's also some other options that are actually not available in the application for some reason. So this one actually is for women's, and here we can find a cycle tracking, which is located right here. I'm not sure why this is actually not available in the application, but for sure we can find it. And also I want to show you some apps. So right here you can find the music player. You can control playback of your phone. You can also set alarm, so your watch gonna start ringing. And when you go into the system, we can find also some other options, like for example the widgets. So they are actually available right here. You can set custom screens and put your favorite shortcuts. If you want, you can make it from your phone and from your watch. You can also put here the screen lock if you want, with a 6-digit code. And on this device we can also find the 5 ATM water resistance. What doesn't mean that you can basically swim with this device. You can take shower, and there's also LCD display with 2 inches. And right now when you go inside this device, we can find a remote shutter, so we can basically take the photos of our phone. And there's also the Amazon Alexa, but in my case it's not working. It's actually not available in my accounts region, so maybe they're gonna fix this in the next updates. You can also ping your phone if you lost this, like that. Take a look. And by going into settings, we can find some other interesting and useful options. So right here we can find Rise to Wake, we can cover this screen to actually turn it off. And as you can see, we can also find a double tap to wake. It's also available just right here. It's not even double tap, it's just simple tap to wake. We can also find here the automatic workout detection. And that's basically it. So this is like all the features that I want to show you about this device. Thanks for watching.